What's up, guys? Matt here, MJ's Garage, and we just got some new parts for the Ram from Revmax, and we're gonna do the unboxing right now with you guys. So let's check out the new parts that we got that came in from Revmax. So we got two boxes here. One's gonna be a return for the core return tag, and I'm assuming this one is going to be the transmission pan. Oh, we've got that box open now. And there she is, folks. A beautiful tranny pan right there, buddy. Nice packed in. Got your drain bolts. Just need a gasket to go with it and we'll be good to go. Nice thick pan too. That holds like an extra 4 or 5 more quarts. So it keeps that transmission nice and cool. Get that put on next week. Let's check out and see what else we got from Revmax. I'm not being sponsored by Revmax. Wish I was. Let's see if we got another box in here that we have to open. Nicely bagged up. All the goodies in there. Well, there she is, folks. Valve body from Revmax. Heavy duty. Thing's gonna change the life on that truck. We're super stoked that we got it in. So look forward to some more videos coming to you here pretty soon on the Ram. I'm gonna get those parts put in next week, and I can't wait. Cannot wait. You have to do a relearn, but we did get the update on the tuner. So we'll be putting around line pressure around 225 to hopefully close to 300. Well, we'll see what happens. But hey, stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one.